Namaskar, friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Life and More. Today
Thank
we
you so
have
much.
Dr. Yogi Heron with us. It has been close to 4 decades that Dr. Yogi Heron started the 4-acre campus that functions as a treatment facility for the and a learning center for children. In 1985, since 1985, he has been treating burn patients for free. In 2020, Dr. Yogi was conferred with the Padma Shri for his work in the field of medicine. Yogi stays in Malsi, around 5 kilometers from Dehradun on Mussoorie Road. And since 2006, he has been conducting a 2 week camp twice a year in which patients below the poverty line are treated for disfigured lips, cheeks, nose, and other parts of the face which need treatment. Welcome, Dr. Yogi, to the show. Welcome, sir. Namaskar.
नमस्ते जी.
Sir, सबसे पहले, sir, we would like to know about yourself, about your parents, your family, your education. You were born, I believe, in Muzaffarpur. Then you moved to Lucknow to study medicine. Sir, उसके बारे में कुछ हमें बताएं.
एक तो आई वुड लाइक टू करेक्ट फ्यू थिंग्स. मैं
जी
देहरादून
सर.
शहर से 12 किलोमीटर दूर मसूरी रोड पर रहता हूँ.
ओके सर.
मसूरी और देहरादून के बीच में जंगल में रहता हूँ.
जी.
और मैं मुजफ्फरनगर का रहने वाला हूँ. और गांव में मैं रहा. पैदल स्कूल जाते थे. जूते भी नहीं पहनते थे. ऐसे ही बचपन गुजरा है मेरा. और फिर गांव में पढ़ते पढ़ते फिर हम लोग खतौली आ गए. और मेरे पिताजी जब उनकी माँ मर गई तो पिताजी 1 साल के थे. मेरे पिताजी 1 साल के थे जब उनकी मदर की
जी.
डेथ हो गई. और
जी.
फिर उनके पिताजी की भी डेथ हो गई जब वो 6 साल के थे. तो इस बच्चे को पिताजी के मामा ले गए
अच्छा.
जहाँ वो अपनी शादी तक रहे.
जी.
और एज ए डोमेस्टिक हेल्प रहे. इतनी डिफिकल्ट लाइफ मेरे पिताजी ने गुजारी. और ही स्टार्टेड हिज कैरियर एज ए हॉकर selling soap on a bicycle. और then he started having जो मेले लगते थे, एग्जीबिशंस लगती थी छोटी मोटी, उसमें वो दुकान चलाते थे साबुन की. इस तरह परवरिश हुई है मेरे पिताजी की. और हम लोग 6 बहन भाई हैं जिसमें से 4 अमेरिका में हैं. और जो अमेरिका वाले हैं वो मेरे से अच्छे हैं सब. तो दिस इज हाउ वी ग्रू. फिर मेडिकल में पिताजी खतौली से लखनऊ चले गए ठेकेदारी करने के लिए. वहाँ ठेकेदारी उनकी अच्छी चली. he was one of the top contractor in LSGD. उस जमाने में LSGD होती थी, लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट, जिसमें
ओके.
सीवेज और वाटर पाइप वगैरह लगाए जाते थे.
जी.
तो फिर लखनऊ में मैं मेडिकल में आया नहीं. 1 साल बैठा, 2 साल बैठा. लोगों ने कहा ये तो आ नहीं सकता. तो आई टुक दैट एज ए चैलेंज. आई सेड, क्योंकि हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़े थे भैया, गांव में रहे थे. लखनऊ हमें एकदम से फर्क लगा. बहुत टाइम लगा हमें लखनऊ के वातावरण में एडजस्ट होने में. फिर बहुत मेहनत करी, नहीं आए. दोबारा बैठे, नहीं आए. दोबारा बैठे, नहीं आए. 5 बार में आए.
जी.
इस बीच में जो हिंदुस्तान के पहले प्लास्टिक सर्जन थे डॉक्टर RN शर्मा, मैं उनके घर में उनकी फोटोग्राफी करता था. उनके लाखों फोटोग्राफ्स होते थे, उसको छांट के सॉर्टिंग करके किताब की शक्ल में रखना, ये मेरा काम था प्री मेडिकल टाइम में. तो
जी.
दैट वे आई एम इन टच विद प्लास्टिक सर्जरी फॉर मोर देन 6 years.
राइट.
1967 में मैंने 7 साल में MBBS किया.
जी.
क्योंकि एक दो सब्जेक्ट मुझे पसंद नहीं थे. फार्माकोलॉजी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री मुझे पसंद नहीं थे.
अच्छा. ओके.
मैं पढ़ा ही नहीं. आई डिड नॉट. और जो मुझे पसंद थे वो मैं बहुत पढ़ता था. तो
जी.
एनीवे मेरी छोटी बहन जो मुझसे 5 साल छोटी थी, वो धीरे धीरे मेरे साथ क्लास में आ गई. 67 में वो भी MBBS के फाइनल में था, मैं भी MBBS के फाइनल में था. लोगों ने
जी.
कहा योगी यार तुम्हारी छोटी बहन
जी.
से पहले पास कर लेगी. तो आई थिंक सो I've been pushed to pass. I didn't
Okay.
pass on my own. The teachers
Okay.
thought this boy will never get through me.
Okay.
This is my assessment. Maybe I don't know.
जी
फिर धीरे धीरे मैं पास किया मैंने MBBS. Then I
जी
went to the R.N. Sharma, Dr. R.N. Sharma. He was a plastic surgeon, India's first plastic surgeon. He said, "Sir, I will work free at your private clinic. I will not charge you anything, but I want to see what plastic surgery is." He said, "Yogi, you are a good material. I can send you to a teacher. He's a good teacher. You are a good material. You go there." Then I went with about 8 or 10 recommending letters.
जी
All my teachers, they used to love me a lot. Though I was not a good student, but I don't know why every teacher loved me. All
Okay.
the teachers gave me letters of recommendation that this boy is good, he's an
Okay.
artist, and try him. So
Okay.
I had about 8 or 10 letters of recommendation from the head of the
जी
department, from the principal of Lucknow Medical College. All
Okay.
those letters I gave to the boss in the Patna. I said the purpose of these letters is to impress you.
जी
I did not to go to different teachers. These are the letters. He was very pleased to have those letters. He said,
Right.
"Yogi, stay near my house, work hard. We held we hold a entrance examination, and you if you are through, you will admit you." So for 1 year, I took a very small room above a garage, which measured about 10 feet by 10 feet, with a kitchen within. And I worked very hard day and night. I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the night and used to shower so that I don't sleep anymore. And I
Okay.
used to work, I used to study, and frequently my wife used to visit me. I had 3 children by then. My mother, she was at Lucknow, I was at Patna. My
Okay.
mother supported my family. My father supported me financially.
Okay.
You know, I had 3 children. By
जी
then, I was being supported by my parents. I worked very, very, very hard. If I, I would like to say, I
जी
worked like a donkey, and I lived like a beggar,
Okay.
and I worked very hard. Anyway, I was not selected.
Okay. Okay.
Then I went to depression. Then my boss called me, "Yogi, we will be having some vacancies after that." Luckily, there was a
Okay.
vacancy and I was selected. Then I was staying near my boss's house. I used to work in his private clinic. I used to work in his ward. I used to work in his lab. And I used to keep all his records. And I learned a lot from him. Whatever I am today, I'm because of Patna teachings. He was a Bengali, Robin Nath Sinha. He was a
जी
wonderful teacher. He was a very strict teacher. He used to hit me with the instruments while
अच्छा
operating.
Okay.
And I said, "Sir, you are very, very tough for me, and you are not tough for others." I said, "Yogi,
Right.
you will learn more than anybody."
Okay. See.
Then anyhow, I taught the list. There were 10 boys. I was first to pass.
Okay.
Then
Great.
I went to back to Lucknow. I went to the director, and I couldn't get any job anywhere
जी
because in 1971 there was no department of plastic surgery in any of the medical colleges,
Okay.
and
Okay.
there was only Lucknow, which had the
जी,
department.
okay.
And there was a queue, long queue. I would have been the
Naturally.
last man. I
Mm,
said, not a good idea.
right.
Then I went to the director. I said, I like Dehradun. Give me Dehradun. They gave me Dehradun.
Okay.
Dehradun I joined in 1973.
Okay.
After having some time in PMCH Patna as a resident, then I went to Dehradun.
Okay.
Dehradun I joined. There was no case of plastic surgery, no
Okay.
instruments. I wasn't given
Mm,
any operation theater day. I wasn't given an office.
okay.
Then they said, Yogi, you do the family planning, go for Nasbandi,
Acha.
or you do the storekeeping. Then I
Okay.
thought, uh, I I worked so hard. In
Right.
honeymoon period, I worked like a donkey and lived like a beggar.
Right.
And this is this is not good. If I don't practice what I have learned,
The-
I will not flourish. Then I stopped the job. And I left the job because they wanted
mhm.
me to do the postmortems, storekeeping, outdoor, neta, attending the netas. I said no. Then I left the job.
Didn't make sense. Right.
And if you believe, I really starved for 2 3 years. My father used to send me money for the milk, for the sugar, for the ration, and I
Okay.
used to live in a very small room.
Mhm.
To start with, I lived in a dharmshala.
Okay.
Those days, dharmshala used to charge 2 rupees a day. Then my wife used to cook on angithi.
Acha.
This is how I started my career. Then I loved plastic surgery a lot. I thought this is the fittest specialty for me. Then I went to different doctors. I
Okay.
said, I know plastic surgery. This I can make this child like look like this. Then very
Mhm.
gradually, I travel about 200 kilometers radius to all the villages, to all the towns, meeting
Okay.
doctors.
Mhm.
Then I used to offer, I will do it free, get it done. Very gradually,
Okay.
very gradually, I had the feedback.
Okay.
When I started plastic surgery in Dehradun, there was no plastic surgeon up to Delhi.
Oh God. From Dehradun till
Yeah,
Delhi.
yeah. None in Meerut, Muzaffarnagar, Ghaziabad, no, but nowhere.
No one. No one.
And I used to get referral from all these small towns gradually.
Okay. Okay.
Look at the difference. Now,
Mhm.
in 1921, there are about 50 to 100 plastic surgeons in Dehradun itself.
Oh God. In 2021. Imagine.
Yeah.
2021. Right.
Then I thought, let me do something different, which others are not doing.
Right.
Because elevating the breast or the facelift used to get me 2 lakhs of rupees. But there are so many other doctors doing it, newcomers.
Right.
I never wanted to compete with my juniors. I wanted to give them a chance to do whatever probably they could do better than me. Then gradually I was in love with the people of Pahar here, Pahari people.
Acha. Ji.
Believe me, they are so innocent,
Right. Right, sir.
and they have,
I agree. Mhm.
ha- their life values are wonderful.
Right.
If
Right.
One
Very
one
simple
one
people.
parent comes and
Ji.
carries all the children of the village to me.
Hmm.
This wonderful. Look at look
Uh,
one parent, either the
will bring
mother,
everyone.
grandmother, usually the grandparents.
Okay.
The parents are busy in kheti or something there,
Ji.
and
Hmm.
it is the grandparents who take care of the children.
Right.
And one family brings all the children of the village,
Okay.
and they are so innocent.
Hmm.
They are so innocent. They are very beautiful. They are very innocent. that they have never seen a straight road.
हाँ
They
ठीक
have
है
never seen a railway line.
राइट
They have never seen a town like Dehradun. And they really do not know what plastic surgery is.
ठीक
And
बात
it is
बिल्कुल
beyond their imagine that plastic surgery is being done free on them.
राइट
It was, and I used to get a lot of patients.
जी
I had to arrange for their stay because
naturally
they could
yeah
not afford fare every time, coming and going. They
right
said,
right
we
right
cannot pay that. Therefore, I had to make the arrangements for their stay. They used to
okay
cook on the firewood from the jungle,
okay
and they wanted a jungle-like atmosphere.
atmosphere
And
atmosphere
jungle mangal give that atmosphere to them.
right
If I put them one patient from the hill and put them in an indoor or a downtown, they will run away. They said we can't stay
right
here.
हाँ 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 ठीक बात है they can't adjust there right
Yeah, they feel so homely. They never complain of anything. They never ask, साहब bathroom नहीं है, साहब पानी नहीं है, साहब ये नहीं है, कुछ.
जी
They don't need anything. They collect firewood from the jungle. They take shower and bath into the nearby stream, natural stream which flows all three sides of this land,
right
and they cook on their own. And one family cooks for the whole village patients. This is how I'm in love with them. And one thing I tell you,
जी
money doesn't give you that pleasure which a
right
patient, if
right
he
right
smiles after the correction,
right
that
true
smile manages my hormonal system. And that hormonal system, regulates my aging and my blood pressure, my heart rate, and everything. And in America, would you believe when I visiting the different hospitals, the hospitals are so well equipped, but no patient. The whole burn ward, the whole burn unit had only one patient with 7-star facilities.
naturally
Here, the facility is almost nil, and we have crowd of patients.
right
So what I need is the patient. Suppose I have 7-star facilities in Jungle Mangal and no
true
patients.
true yeah it doesn't
What
make
will I
sense
do?
yeah naturally
What will I do? I won't have a job satisfaction. Here I have the job satisfaction. And in America, the relationship is very formal, very
that's it
formal, very
yeah
different, very formal. The money matters, the patient comes, it's treated free, then papers go to insurance company, the money comes from there. Every doctor is scared for patients will sue me. Here patients, they touch your feet, they love you,
yeah
they
right
remember you. They may not have money. And would you believe one of the Pahadi patient came, sir, I
जी
have only 5,000.
अच्छा
Keep these
ओके
5,000 with you. When I will
जी
arrange more money, I'll come again.
अच्छा उसके
And
पहले नहीं
he
कराएंगे
gave
ही
that
वोंट कम
money.
बैक
He gave that money in advance.
ओके
And the rich patients in Dehradun, they will assess the results. They will give me part payment. Then they will see results again. Then they will pay. Look at the difference.
या अमेज
Yeah. And in America, Dr. Millard, he stays in Miami,
ओके
Florida. He's one of the top plastic surgeons of the world of his time. I went to him. My sister,
जी
she arranged visa, ticket, domestic flights,
ओके
stay arrangements, everything. She's such a wonderful girl, my sister. She's a very
जी
big doctor in practice in Los Angeles. very near to Hollywood.
Okay.
She's a very, very busy doctor. Her husband is the head of the medical college in his department.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So she helped me a lot. She arranged everything. Then I worked with Dr. Millard. I touched his feet. I said, "What are you doing this?" I said, "This is the highest regard one
Yeah,
can
we
do."
give to anyone, right?
Yeah. And that was a turning point.
Okay.
That was a turning point.
When
I mean, he was so
when was this?
meticulous.
When was
Pardon
this,
me, sir?
doctor? When was this, doctor?
Millard. He
When was
was,
this?
it
Which
was
year? Which year?
1984.
1984. Okay.
1984. Then I visited different centers, and
Okay.
staying was very expensive, $84 a day or something.
Oh, wow. That's too much.
Yeah. Then I was just wondering, I saw a girl, Indian girl.
Right.
They're luckily from Meerut,
Acha.
and they were
Okay.
luckily errands. Then I stayed with them for a pretty long time
Okay.
because paying $84 a day in those times wasn't easy when the rupee
True.
was 5 rupees a dollar.
Hmm.
Then I stayed with Aaron family.
Okay.
They were wonderful hosts. They were dropping
Okay.
me to the hospital every day. They were feeding me. They were giving me a room. I mean,
Hmm.
all Indians are so bound to each other. They work a lot for each other. That's why
True.
India
True.
community is on the top there. You can put me more questions, yes,
I'll do that. I'll do that, sir. I just
sir.
wanted to know, sir, when did this thought actually strike you that you needed to actually treat the patients for free? Because आप कह रहे थे कि you had very limited resources, right? So where did you arrange for the finances to do all these treatments free of cost?
To start with, we lived in a one-room house, rented house,
Yeah.
which was of British times with a tin roof,
Okay.
and we used to
Mhm.
partition the room. In half
Okay.
of the room, patients used to stay, and in half of the room, my family with 3 kids used to stay.
Okay.
And we used to share the washroom, bathroom. And my wife, she used to utilize my instruments on pressure cooker. We had very, very limited instruments. Then my kids, they used to help me. Dr. Kush and Mr. Love, who's in America, they used to assist me in my surgery when they were in class 4. Since then, Kush used to show me the torch while operating, and we were operating on.
Mm.
The first case was operated on a tin box in my storeroom,
Acha. Oh.
and I operated on little finger, and we hardly charged anything about the patient, and it was a family affair. My wife used to clean the floor, sterilize the instruments. My
Okay.
children used to assist, arrange the instrument, assist me in surgery.
Okay. Mhm.
Very, very gradually. First thing, we never had a very high standard of living.
Mm.
Even today, I live in a room which is 10 feet by 10 feet
Okay.
and a kitchen of 6 by 6. That's it.
Okay.
And overhead is hardly any.
Anything, right?
And we charge from the patients. Some of the patients which are partly cosmetic, we charge them. We charge them quite a lot. And that money is diverted to the poor patients. At times, some rich guys, they help.
Acha, they do. They
But
normally
the
do.
mission is on.
Okay. Sir, I was reading that don't you get any aid or support from either the central government or the state government? कोई ऐसा there's no provision as such that they offer some
No,
help.
not yet. No, actually, it is a vote politics. Democracy is the rule of crowd and it's a vote politics. Because I
Okay.
have a single vote or two votes, I don't
Right.
think I can draw attention of the government. I cannot. Secondly, I'm not a originally Pahari. Therefore, I don't draw any attention and I never begged for anything. Because meeting an IS officer, you go to the office, get the pass made, stand in the
Right. Right.
queue,
Right. It's a
the
cumbersome
boss
process.
is in a meeting, then you sit
True.
like a on the bench outside for hours, then only you
Right.
get an entry. I think it's too much wastage of time.
True.
Uh, the private people in town, they help a bit at times. They can adopt the children. And secondly, the best part is my son Love and his wife, they are a big boss in Apple in San
Okay.
Jose. Yeah.
Okay.
They stay in Cupertino, the costliest part of San Francisco. They got me introduced to an agency
Okay.
in
Right.
Stanford University research.
Okay.
Initially, it was Intraplast. They come twice a year. About 18 doctors come from America to Dehradun on their own expenses. They brief every consumable, they brief all their equipments, all gadgets, and they pay for everything. They pay for their stay, and they do everything free. Even at times, local guys, local rich people, they provide food.
Okay.
These Americans provide all the kharcha, all
Okay.
consumables. They do surgery, they do post-op. And my another son, who is with me, Dr. Kush, he looks after them post-operatively.
Okay. Okay.
This is how
That's
we could
interesting.
sustain.
Okay.
The
So,
government of Uttarakhand, the government of Uttarakhand pays the fare. All those patients
okay.
who come from Chamoli, China border,
G.
the fare is paid by the state government.
Okay. Okay.
And it is Love who sends the team, and it is Kush and his wife who takes care of this team. This is how things are moving. And
But
if any,
also, right. So there's a long list of patients. I was reading somewhere that there is a long list of patients, around
yes,
10,000 of
yes,
them.
yes,
So
yes.
how does the system work? Do you prioritize this case is comparatively more serious than the other one? It has to be taken beforehand, or how does it work? How does the system work?
After 55 years, even more of plastic surgery practice or
Right.
studying, I choose the difficult most cases.
Okay. Right.
Because most difficult cases should be treated by me, because
Right.
nobody is interested in those cases. Because multi-stage surgery with very poor results, why should one get involved? But because I want to put my energy, my knowledge, my efficiency to a test, therefore I like difficult cases. I choose the difficult cases, and in the team, about 500 patients come in each camp. When the Americans come, government of Uttarakhand spread the news all over Uttarakhand at the borders
Okay.
through Sarv
Okay.
Shiksha Abhiyan mission, and all the patients, they are paid by the state government to come to reach to Dehradun. And those 500 patients, they are put to American team. They select about 100, and the rest of the unselected cases, we keep on operating them year
Over a
on
period
year.
of time.
Yeah,
Over a
this is
period of
how
time.
the volume is met.
Okay. But sir, also tell me that once after you were conferred with the Padma Shri, right? Doesn't it help more in reaching out to the sources which are there? As you said, ki you can't go and sit around and request the bureaucracy ki I need some help, or my patients need some help. Doesn't it become easier after all these awards and rewards come to you?
I never tried it. I never tried it. I don't
Okay.
think all these awards or they have helped me. They did not. Rather, I've become more conscious and more engaged in other things other than surgery. But when I go to the meetings, whenever I'm called, I see a difference into the behavior of the government. But till date, I have not asked for any help because it's a very lengthy process.
In the
To
process
get
is very
into
lengthy.
the channel is very, very lengthy process. Secondly,
Okay.
Ayushman scheme, I don't have a qualifying standard of assets with me, operating room and this and that. Therefore, I am not getting any benefit with this scheme, Ayushman scheme. And because the hospitals are paid a heavy amount by the government, they catch all those patients. And shall I tell you the truth?
Please, sir.
The work is not done sincerely on them. They get
Okay.
money and do
Mm-hmm.
some formal surgeries,
Right.
and that's it. And gradually, poor patients understand this. Even in spite of all this Ayushman and all that, they are coming to us. They know we do a better job and we are doing it free. But at times, I ask them to pay for the consumables, for the anesthesia. And I have, maybe I will send you a few pictures. Maybe they help you.
Please, sir.
And
Please, sir.
I'm very, very happy. I love what I do, and I only do what I love.
That's true, sir. Sir, also, who has been the most inspirational person in your life? There must have been one person who actually inspired you.
Number one, patients.
Okay.
They have faith in me.
Right.
They suffer. They feel pain. I give them pain, but they stand that and they show faith in me. They
Right.
believe me. If I had everything but not the patient.
Right.
And number two comes my assistant Anita.
Okay.
She's a great person. What
Right.
I am today is because of her. She's with me for last 45 years.
Oh God. Long
She
time.
came to me when she was a teen. She
Mm.
does all the planning.
Okay.
She, whenever I am in depression, confusion, she manages. She remembers all the patients and all the procedures. Had she not been there, I would have not reached to this. I'm so dependent to her. She does makes models, which are in about 25,000 models. She manages about 100,000 photographs. She manages everything. And in spite of this, she claims nothing. I I think whatever I am because of Anita. She's
Sir,
last me.
right.
Yes,
Sir, has it ever occurred to you that that you need to reach out to more patients across the country? I know it's a difficult task at this, but has it ever struck we should have more centers जहाँ पे it'll be convenient for patients to actually come rather than all the way to Dehradun?
I would love to do that. I would love to do
Okay.
that. And especially with my son, who is as dedicated to burn patients as I am, I think we
Right.
can afford it. And
You can.
especially Love, who's in America, Anubhav, my third son, who is in America, who
Okay.
is arranging all these. It is he who got me attached to you, Anubhav, his
Okay.
wife.
Okay. That's okay.
She is a topper throughout. She's from remote Himalayas. She's a wonderful girl, very
Okay.
beautiful, very intelligent, very sincere.
Hmm.
And my kids, my wife, I mean, it's a joint effort.
Naturally.
But I'll give
Naturally.
maximum points to my assistant, Anita James.
Anita. Okay.
She's great.
So, also tell us about the learning center you had planned for children at Malsi.
It's not Malsi actually. It is beyond 5 kilometers beyond
Okay.
Malsi,
Okay.
on way to Missouri.
Acha. Okay.
And I have, when my kids were here, I was in America. I used to visit different centers for educational parks in America. I thought our children are no less, especially children from the village, from the remote Himalayas. They are more intelligent, they are unexplored. Though I wanted to make a educational park here,
Okay.
and I'm working very, very hard. At at present, I have the world's biggest tree structures called topiary.
Topiary.
Topiary, world's biggest. I have planted
Okay.
1,000 banyan trees. I'm
Oh.
making a bunker sort of a structure. Whenever there is a radiation from the bombs, you can save yourself there.
Okay.
I have
Oh.
about 20 tree houses. I have about
Okay.
7 ponds and
Okay.
about, I mean, uh, this is a,
Sir, you are not on the screen, sir.
no,
We're
I'm
back.
coming back. Yes.
Okay. 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 Then it's fine, sir. Okay.
And children come here.
Mhm.
I want every, there are agencies who send me street children and from the orphanage.
Right.
So children come here, I attend them,
Okay.
and it is an amusement park. But looking to my age and the difficulties facing, I don't
Right.
know what will happen. But I'm continuing to work very, very hard in raising this educational park. There are pressures from all around. Why don't you make a restaurant? Why don't you make a bar? Why don't you make
Oh.
a restaurant, hotel, tree
Mm-hmm.
houses? So I have to manage all those pressures
Right.
from the government also. But
Acha. Okay.
I'm sure I can assure you,
Ji.
I will till my last breath. I'll keep on working for this amusement park, which is meant for poorest of the poor. Because when children come from small schools or
Right.
street children or from orphanage, they enjoy more because their exposure
Right.
is
Right.
hardly any.
Right.
They
True.
haven't seen anything. They have never been attended properly, and they are unexplored. They are
Right.
much more reserved than a boy from school, Dhoni school or elsewhere.
Right. I
Therefore,
understand.
I love those kids, and I want this asset of mine should be used for this purpose only.
Right. Natural. That's great, sir. So,
Sir,
right before we say thank you to you, sir, one message for our viewers. Anything that would inspire them to keep working hard, like you have done, and do something for society, like you have been doing for all these years.
डरिए मत. अगर कोई
जी.
अच्छा विचार है, करते जाइए. अगर एक बस छूट जाए, दूसरी पकड़ लीजिए.
जी.
और the journey is much more enjoyable than the destination.
That's right.
आप हर
Right.
किसी में ताकत है, हर किसी में जुझारूपन है. उसको अप्लाई करिए. दुनिया क्या कहती, बिल्कुल मत सोचिए, बिल्कुल मत सोचिए. जो आपका दिल कहता है, आप वही करें और करते जाएं. गुड लक टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट. बहुत
थैंक यू
अच्छा
सर.
लगा सर आपसे बात करके. इट वाज सच एन ऑनर एंड
नमस्ते
अ प्लेजर टू बी टॉकिंग टू यू सर. थैंक्स अ लॉट सर.
नमस्ते
थैंक यू.
नमस्ते सर.
नमस्कार.
नमस्ते.